to become a radiologic technologist because I wanted to be in the healthcare setting. I wanted to be able to help people, and being an X-ray tech I think is a great career choice for me personally. I have a lot of family members in the field. They sort of pushed me in that direction.
I worked as a CNA for a couple years, and I knew I always wanted to be in the health field, but I didn't like to be on the front line. Nurses, they have to do that exactly, and that wasn't me, so.
I've always wanted to work in the medical field, but I never knew to which degree. But when my mom was recently diagnosed with cancer, they used an X-ray machine to discover that, and I thought that was the coolest thing. I saw myself doing the same thing and helping people cope with their own difficulties. I was very lucky to be accepted, and I feel very lucky every day to be here and one day help other people the same way.
At Marion Technical College, they offer a lot more clinical hours and hands-on learning than other programs in the area, and I thought that was very beneficial to my learning experience.
So I chose Marion Technical College over other locations because of, first, the affordability, but second, it has a great reputation at the hospital I personally work at. I know multiple techs that work there now that went through this program, and they have had nothing but great things to say about the program.
The sites that they chose to send us to are all great sites, and the teachers, the staff, they're all very welcoming. Whenever I came in and told them I was interested in the program, they instantly made me feel right at home. So I really like the atmosphere here.
All right, when we're looking at the lumbar x-rays here, this is a lateral, and you got to make sure you got your joint spaces. We're looking for alignment. We really strive to help our students excel, to help them understand. We like to make sure that they fully understand the concepts, and we'll take the extra time we need. We've got 3 full-time instructors plus program director, and so we have time to be one-on-one with our students. And we enjoy instructing, we enjoy helping them learn, and we love it when the light comes on and they understand and they're better able and better prepared to go out to the clinics and their clinical sites to go and perform what they've learned in the classroom, and they've done an excellent job doing that.
So make sure you guys know your chest anatomy. We also have a very established program that has been here for over 40 years. We have a very big community presence, and we have a great reputation for putting out high quality technologists.
Keep that there, push this on in. Okay. This is going to open up to 14 by 17. So move the table around, put your arms down your side, please, man. I'm going to have to feel for some balls. My piece of advice coming in this program is don't take it lightly. Between classwork, homework, and clinical time, I would advise a student to just plan on spending 40 hours a week. This is not a part-time thing. If you only work on this when you come into class, you're not going to do well. We're not teaching jobs here. We're teaching professional. We're teaching career. So, and that's just what I want to know, is they need to know that. And also, I think when they ponder this, if they come in for an interview, I think they should bring a significant other with them, whether it's a mom or a dad or a husband or a wife or girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever it is. And the reason I say that is there's such a time requirement needed that the people that are important in their lives need to know what they're getting into, because they're going to have to be the support mechanism. And it's a lot harder to do if you don't have that support in place.
One thing that's very interesting that most of us really enjoy is working alongside the physicians. So many of the procedures that we do are procedures with physicians. They could be in the operating room, and the physician is needing us to get particular angles or shots of what they're working on so they can see it better on a big screen. It may be in the trauma bay of the hospital where the trauma team is working on a patient and we're working right with them trying to get the images that they need as quickly as possible. It could be a variety of other types of procedures that are done in the imaging department, and they're right there in the rooms that we work in on a daily basis, and we're working shoulder to shoulder with them. There are some unique opportunities to learn beyond the book and to learn beyond the typical patient care day. And that's one of the really neat things that kind of sets this profession apart from other healthcare type career fields.
In order to apply to the Radiologic Technology program, you would need to come in here first to an info session, and you can find those dates on our website. From there, we would ask you to call and make an appointment to speak to any one of the faculty, and we can go over your transcripts and make sure that you're ready to apply online. From there, you will make an appointment with Student Services, and they can go over the rest of the process with you.